The conference on the equity crowdfunding, it's a eye-opener for many of our entrepreneurs. At the same time, for us, the regulators, it's also a sharing experience of how the best practice are being done elsewhere apart from Thailand.
So where do you see crowdfunding fit into SET?
We hope that the concept of equity crowdfunding will one day be part of the ecosystem of the capital market. In the past, we rely on venture capitals, private equities to nurture and build companies and bring them on board. But the catch will be in the futures of how we connect a system which is similar to a normal exchange, but it is not, in terms of the equity crowdfunding. And how would that nurture entrepreneurship and get them grow and get them a long way until they eventually exit on the stock exchange.
So you mentioned that SET uniquely positioned entrepreneurship right from the start. So will SET think of setting up any crowdfunding platform?
The Stock Exchange of Thailand has two boards. The main board, which is 40 years old. The second board, which is the market for alternative investment, is 15 years old. It has been positioned to help small and medium-sized family business and entrepreneurship get some funding and grow their business. We currently on the second board has over 130 companies. So the fundraise has been amazing for the last 10 years. So for us to consider in looking into a crowdfunding portal, for me, I personally don't think it's necessary because we have the system and the system to set up to cater to small and medium-sized company. But for startup, the risk may be a little bit higher for our investors. Therefore, maybe it's the job of the crowdfunding portals to do.
So what is your advice to startups and business planning to go public?
We have many listed potential company interested in listing. I think the advice is always accounting. A proper accounting is a first step. Without that, I don't think the whole process, whether you're going to get fundings for Series A, Series B from the institutional investors like private equities or venture capital, you still have to do a proper accounting. So I think by far the proper accounting is key.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kap.